Hello students, welcome to BDS Online classes. Myself Sanjay Verma. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about the life process. That is the first chapter of your biology, and in life process I told you about the nutrition. Dear students, life process is belong to different activity which is done in our body or in organism body are called as life process, such as nutrition, excretion, respiration, transportation, movement. These are the part of the life process, because all the organism synthesize their food called as nutrition. They excrete the fecal materials, unnecessary material from their body, that is the excretion. They have movement in their body or their particular body organs. Okay, they transport the substance from one part to another part, and they respirate for oxidizing the food materials. So these are the some part of the life process. So dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about the nutrition. Okay, न्यूट्रिशन मीन्स होता है बेटा पोषण. ओके, न्यूट्रिशन मीन्स पोषण. द प्रोसेस ऑफ intake of nutrients and its utilization is called as nutrition. मीन्स जीवधारी द्वारा न्यूट्रिएंट्स का अवशोषण और उसका सिंथेसिस करना ही पोषण कहलाता है. ओके, एंड यू नो दैट न्यूट्रिशन इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट process of our life, because this process provide the energy to our body that helps in completion of different activities or different another processes of the life or of the organism body. Okay, dear students, the nutrients are following types. That is a carbohydrate, fat, that is lipid, proteins, vitamins, mineral, water. These are the nutrients that an organism take during nutrition and utilizes it. Okay, so dear students, there are following two types of the nutrition. Okay, पोषण दो प्रकार के होते हैं. नंबर 1, ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन. नंबर 2, हेटेरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन. हेटेरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन. ओके, नंबर 1 ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन, नंबर 2 हेटेरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन. ऑटो मीन्स सेल्फ nourishment. Okay, it is following two type. It is following two types. Number 1, phototrophic फोटो ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन, नंबर 2 कीमो ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन। Dear students, chemoautotropic nutrition is also called as chemosynthesis। क्या कहलाता है? कीमोसिंथेसिस। Chemosynthesis and heterotrophic mode of nutrition is further classified into saprophytic nutrition. What saprotrophic nutrition? Saprotrophic nutrition, number 2 parasitic nutrition, next is holozoic nutrition, So this is the classification of nutrition. Dear students, autotrophic nutrition means overall you can say that nutrition is following two types. Number 1 autotrophic nutrition, number 2 heterotrophic nutrition. Dear students, autotrophic nutrition is that nutrition in which an organism synthesizes its own food with the help of sunlight, raw materials and some chemicals. Okay, and these are not dependent on another animal because they self synthesize their own food. Okay, it is following two types. Number 1 is phototrophic nutrition. Phototrophic nutrition means प्रकाश संश्लेषी पोषण. Phototrophic nutrition, the autotrophic nutrition in which an organism synthesizes its own food with the help of especially sunlight, water, CO2 and other raw materials called as phototrophic nutrition, and organisms are called as phototrophs, who are photoautotrophs. Example is all green plant, all green plant. Okay, next here chemo autotrophic nutrition or chemosynthesis, the autotrophic nutrition in which some organism, that is bacteria, synthesize their own food with the help of chemicals called as chemoautotrophic nutrition. For example, sulfur bacteria, iron bacteria, rhizobium, etc. Okay, so there are some bacteria, that is sulfur bacteria, iron bacteria, rhizobium, Natosomonas, Azotobacter. These are some bacteria that synthesize its food with the help of chemicals and represent chemosynthesis or chematotropic nutrition, and these are called as chematotrophs. Okay, the organism that represent the chemosynthesis called as chemoautotrophs. Okay, next are the heterotrophic nutrition. Deogens, the mode of nutrition in which an organism depend on another organism for the synthesis of the food called as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. ऐसा न्यूट्रिशन जिसमें एक जीवधारी दूसरे जीवधारी पर भोजन के संश्लेषण के लिए डिपेंड हो, या आप ये कह सकते हैं वहाँ से भोजन को गेन करता हो, उसे हम उस टाइप के न्यूट्रिशन को हम उस प्रोसेस को हम हेटरोट्रॉपिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन कहते हैं, और इस टाइप के ऑर्गेनिज्म को हम हेटरोट्रॉफ्स कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? हेटरोट्रॉफ्स. हेटरोट्रॉफ्स. Okay, and heterotrophic mode of nutrition is following three types. Number 1, saprotropic nutrition or saprophytic nutrition. Number 2, parasitic nutrition, and number 3 is holozoic nutrition. Okay, तो कितने प्रकार का होता है? 3 टाइप का. saprotropic or saprophytic nutrition, number 2 parasitic nutrition, number 4 holozoic nutrition. Let's be see one by one. Number 1, saprotropic nutrition. Dear students, the heterotrophic nutrition in which an organism depend for the nutrition on dead decaying materials of plant and animal. On dead decaying materials of the plant and animals called as saprotropic nutrition, and organisms are called as saprotrophs. ऐसा विषमपोषी पोषण जिसमें एक जीवधारी दूसरे जीवधारी के सड़े गले रिमेन पर डिपेंड हो, सड़े गले पदार्थों पर डिपेंड हो, चाहे वह प्लांट का हो या एनिमल का हो, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? सेप्रोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स आर एगैरिकस, ब्रेड मोल्ड, etc. Agaricus, that is seen commonly in villages, and in Hindi it is called as कुकुरमुत्ता. हिंदी से कुकुरमुत्ता कहा जाता है. And some peoples called it mushroom or vegetable meat. कुछ लोग इसे मशरूम या vegetable meat भी कहते हैं. It always grow on the decaying material of the plant or animals, and this is the bread mold. Next are the parasitic nutrition. Deogens, the heterotrophic mode of nutrition in which an organism gain the food from the body of another organism are called as, this mode of nutrition is called as parasitic nutrition, and organisms are called as parasite, and whom they consume, synthesize their food called as host. Means ऐसा न्यूट्रिशन, ऐसा हेटरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन जिसमें एक एनिमल दूसरे एनिमल पर डिपेंड हो और वहाँ से भोजन को क्या करता हो? गेन करता हो. जो गेन करता है उसे पैरासाइट कहा जाता है. क्या कहलाता है? पैरासाइट, परजीवी. एंड जिससे गेन करता है उसे होस्ट कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? होस्ट. ओके, एग्जाम्पल्स आर अमरबेल, okay, leech, lice, bedbug, mosquito. These are the parasites. Okay, because they depend on the other animals, and animals just like humans, animals are the host because they suck the blood from their body. Okay, next are the holozoic nutrition. Reagents and parasitic nutrition. Parasites are following 2 types. Okay, ectoparacyte and endoparasite. These are two types, ectoparasite and endoparasite. Okay, बाह्य परजीवी और अंतःपरजीवी. If they live on the body of the host, these are called as ectoparasite, and if they present inside the host body, inside the body of host is called as endoparasite. यदि वो होस्ट के बॉडी के ऊपर पाए जाते हैं तो उन्हें एक्टोपैरासाइट कहा जाता है, बाह्य परजीवी कहा जाता है. परंतु यदि वो होस्ट की बॉडी के अंदर पाए जाते हैं तो उन्हें इंडोपैरासाइट कहा जाता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट या होलोजोग न्यूट्रिशन. दिस इज या थर्ड heterotrophic nutrition in which an organism depend on the solid materials and undergo different processes. इस प्रकार के न्यूट्रिशन में एनिमल सॉलिड मटेरियल पर डिपेंड होते हैं और निम्नलिखित प्रक्रिया को, प्रोसेस को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. दैट इज इंजेशन, दैट इज इंजेशन, डाइजेशन, एब्जॉर्प्शन, assimilation and egestion. These are the process are held during the holojog mode of nutrition, and this kind of nutritions are represented by all kind of the animals such as humans, protozoans. In protozoans, that is Euglena, Paramecium, amoeba and all other animals. They represent this kind of the nutrition. So dear students, I hope that all of you understood that what are the nutrition and what are their divisions and their examples. So I am requesting to all of you, please watch this video carefully and note down the important terms of the nutrition. Thank you. Have a nice day.